$1 version. I want to give you 3. Listen up. 3 things you can do right now to change how you think to be able to accomplish your goals. 1, separate. Get away from negative people in your life. 2, isolate. Be alone. Okay? You don't have to always be around people. You need to get by yourself to get clarity about what you want. 3, and listen to this one. This is important. Meditate. An organized mind is able to manifest whatever you want. Let me give you the #1 meditation that I use to earn $1 million in 1 month and get this pretty beautiful car here. Don't let this impress you, but let it impress upon you that it's possible. Get the meditation right now. Let's go.